How to make money with YouTube. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. There are so many formats available to make content on YouTube, such as shorts, live streaming, and long-form video, and we want to make sure creators can get rewarded for making all of them. The YouTube Partner Program lets qualifying creators tap into different ways to earn revenue, and gives access to one-to-one support as well as the copyright match tool. Creators are building successful businesses of their own with employees and full-fledged operations, and are a significant share of the more than $50 billion we've paid out to creators, artists, and media companies over the last 3 years. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos, or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step. You'll have to agree to follow all of YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then, you can apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once that's done, head back to the dashboard and click the Analytics tab on the left side. From there, you'll need to choose Revenue from the tabs at the top. Then scroll down to the chart Monthly Estimated Revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. For creators, not many changes, as they will get paid for content consumed by non-members on YouTube, along with content on YouTube Premium. Creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Consider revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscribers as a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you're already earning through ads. While it's easy to set up, earning money through advertising as a YouTube partner is far from the most lucrative revenue stream you can create for yourself. Why you should look beyond ads for revenue. YouTube received a lot of backlash around its transparency regarding advertising on the platform and what qualifies as advertiser-friendly content. At the time, many YouTube creators feared they would lose out on the advertising revenue. They would lose out on advertising revenue due to the nature of their content. Your content may get excluded from ad revenue if YouTube deems it includes sexually suggestive content, including partial nudity and sexual humor, violence, including displays of serious injury and events related to violent extremism, inappropriate language, including harassment, profanity, and vulgar language, promotion of drugs and regulated substances, including selling, use, and abuse of such items, controversial or sensitive subjects and events, including subjects related to war, political conflicts, natural disasters, and tragedies, even if graphic imagery is not shown. This is nothing new. YouTube has been demonetizing content it doesn't deem advertiser-friendly since 2012 via an automated process. It is done without warning and without the content creator's knowledge. Now, creators are notified when their content is flagged and can contest any time they feel a video was mistakenly excluded from YouTube's advertising network. Advertising might be a common means of generating passive income for creators, but the trade-off is that YouTube's parent company, Google, gets to keep around a 45% share of ad revenue. In short, YouTubers should explore other revenue streams to sustain their creative hobby. Below, we'll share how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. 2. Sell products or merchandise. There are plenty of products to sell that can help you make money through your YouTube channel. Selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, you name it, has a benefit beyond revenue. Merchandise increases your exposure by putting your online brand and personality out into the offline world and deepens the relationship between you and your fans as they literally buy into what you're doing. Creators like Roman Atwood sell a variety of merchandise in his store under the Smile More brand. Selling branded swag is easier than it might seem at first. You can order affordable designs tailored for specific products, like t-shirts, using freelance sites such as Fiverr. And when it comes to handling orders, you can integrate your store with services such as DSers or one of the many print-on-demand providers that take care of shipping, fulfillment, and customer support. letting you reap all of the benefits of a print-on-demand business that requires less effort on your part. Alternatively, you can partner with an existing merchandising network for creators, such as DFTBA. Don't forget to be awesome. However, you'll be competing with other YouTubers and have less control over adding products, offering discounts, integrating your content, and all the advantages that come with owning your own e-commerce site. You can even go a step further by manufacturing and selling your own unique products and powering your business through your YouTube channel, like Luxy Hair did to sell its hair extensions with hair-related how-to video tutorials. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter, one of the most well-known crowdfunding sites, great for funding cool products and creative projects. Be sure to set an attainable funding goal, because you'll only secure it if you actually meet the goal you set. Indiegogo, a Kickstarter alternative that offers more flexible funding options. 4. Let your audience support you through fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you're contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. But why creates more long-form written content than YouTube videos, but is a great example of receiving support from the Patreon community. If you choose the crowdfunding route, be sure to follow a couple of best practices. First, create transparency around how the money will be spent. This will get your fan base invested in your story or mission, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Second, offer enticing rewards for better pledges. The more you can make donors feel like they're getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular fan funding options include YouTube's Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature used when doing live streams on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however much they feel like contributing. You'll need to set up your YouTube account for advertising, as outlined above. Channel memberships. Channel memberships let viewers support your channel through monthly payments in exchange for members-only perks. Similar to Super Chat, you must be a part of YouTube's partner program to access this feature. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.